morning, everybody. It is September 7th. My name is Brad. This is Colorado Jeeper, where we do a little bit of everything. Four-wheeling, camping, fishing, blacksmithing, etc. Anyways, it is Labor Day weekend. I hope all of you are having a fantastic weekend and a good Labor Day. Things here in Colorado are very smoky where we're at. We're supposed to have a 60-degree temperature drop tomorrow with snow. So that'll be interesting. Anyways, we're heading over to the shop. We're going to go pound on some knives, see what we can come up with. No, I don't want to do it. Okay, get your ball. 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 That'll do. Okay, on to the next thing. Started this the other day. Gonna be like a throwing knife. Gonna see what we can do with it. Somebody's been doing some straightening up here in the shop. Looks pretty nice. All organized. Did you have a good trip?
Had a really good trip.
Yeah.
Mexico's total bueno. Everybody's really careful of the corona thing down there. Wipe your feet, wipe your hands, check your temperature. Had to wear a mask. People open and close the door. Check your temperature. One person per family in the store. They were very considerate.
Seems
very uncrowded. Very uncrowded.
Seems pretty safe.
It was good. It was a good trip.
Nice. Glad you had fun. Getting nice and hot. Love the plasma cutter. How nice and straightened up everything is. It's all nice, put together.
We worked on one night for about an hour.
Hot.
That was it. I'm gonna push it.
Did you get peppered?
Yeah.
He got peppered by the sparks. He's got his, he's gonna make like a traditional axe, wraps around the stock. Mine's getting hot. That's a little better. Fire! I think she's about ready. That looks a little better. Well, it's not very pretty yet. So we got it pretty straight. I grind it all out now. I'm gonna go ahead and heat it up one more time. Get that blade a little bit more formed on the tip.
Hold on, honey. I'll be right back.
We're gonna form the axe head for the handle. Get a little cleanup done there. I got other things to do today, so we're gonna go get to those. We'll come back, we'll be working on the knife again soon. Gonna be a thrower. He's got his little axe over here finishing up the weld we just did. Looking nice. Getting that hot is going to quench it.
Quenchy, quenchy, quench.
Nice. Alright everybody, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Hope you had a great Labor Day weekend, dogs. Anyways, stay safe, stay healthy, be nice to each other. Until next time, we'll see you then. Thanks for watching.